Welcome to this exceptional Pennsylvania house on 32 plus acres, featuring a serene creek, wooded hollows, and open fields, a true country retreat for those who value privacy and outdoor living. soaking in nature, this home provides an ideal setting. The 2,808 square foot residence boasts 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, completely rebuilt in 2011 with a second floor addition. The home features durable Everlast metal roofing and low-maintenance hardy board siding, giving you both style and longevity. Inside, reclaimed lumber and flooring from an antique bank barn, along with wood harvested from the property, create a distinctive character and timeless charm throughout the living spaces. The open floor plan centers around a spacious kitchen with a 6-burner propane stove, side-by-side refrigerator, and a 3-bay sink flowing seamlessly into the living area. Large picture windows flood the home with natural light while showcasing breathtaking views of the surrounding woods, creek, and wildlife. The 40-foot by 47-foot covered deck is perfect for entertaining family and friends or enjoying peaceful mornings surrounded by nature. Outdoors, this property is a paradise for hobbyists and outdoor enthusiasts alike. A 4-car garage with a heated and insulated section provides space for a workshop, in-law quarters, or recreational area. A 2-story 23 by 45-foot barn offers storage and workshop possibilities, while a 16 by 24-foot cabin tucked in the woods adds even more charm and functionality. For comfort and efficiency, heating is provided by an outdoor wood furnace with backup propane and mini-splits, ensuring year-round livability. The septic and well system were designed to accommodate up to 75 people due to the property's former use as part of long-acre expeditions, making it ideal for large gatherings or future expansion. With creek frontage, mature timber, wildlife, and open fields, this Pennsylvania estate combines privacy, recreation, and modern living. It's a rare opportunity to own a versatile country retreat ready for your next chapter. Explore the possibilities and experience the lifestyle this 32-plus acre property has to offer.